Steps on how to compose the label. A label serves as a spacer on your LMS course page. In your site home, locate the course you wanted to add an activity or resource. Click Enter this course. Now for you to edit what is inside your given course, click Turn Editing On. As you observe, topics can now be edited and you can also add an activity or resource. Let us try to change topic 1. For example, the idioms. Now we will try to add a label in a given topic. So click Add an activity or resource and click the word label. Now for the label, all you have to do is to type the label text you wanted to have in your given topic idioms. For example, A. Preliminary activities. After typing the preliminary activities, save and return to course. Now, we are done creating our preliminary activities label.